Every year, companies make promises to the environment, to their people, to the communities around them. Only 22% of companies globally follow through on their sustainability commitments beyond the reporting stage. This is about one of them.
We're an environmentally responsible and safety-conscious organization that ensures that the impact of our operations on the environment is minimal. We have deliberate measures put in place to ensure that these goals are met.
Behind every system at Fidson is a framework that governs it, an environmental policy built around one principle, that operations and responsibility are not separate conversations. Fidson is ISO 14001:2015 certified, the international standard for environmental management. Waste is categorized, managed, and evacuated by government-accredited agents. Air quality, noise levels, and water quality are monitored. In an industry that runs on power, the source of that power tells you everything about a company's priorities.
In terms of power generation, we have majorly two sources. One had to do with the independent power provider, which gives us about 24 hours power supply. And the second is the gas generators. These are the two sources of power that we use in the factory. The last is the diesel, which we hardly go that route. And the reason is because, number one, the cost is high. Number two, the emission rate is also very high. But for gas and for the IPP, the emission rate is near zero.
A deliberate decision, one that aligns with the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals on environmental sustainability. Inside the offices, a different kind of shift is happening. Every paper-based process is being automated. Every workflow has been migrated. The target is not reduction, it is elimination. Every drop of water that enters this facility is accounted for before it leaves.
We have a 480,000 underground storage tank for raw water. This is where the manufacturing process begins. We have 4 bore wells, each 20,000 liters per hour, delivering into the underground storage tank.
We have an effluent treatment plant that ensures that all the wastewater that comes from our manufacturing is actually treated before being let out into the lanes. Periodically, we check these effluents to ensure that the effluent is within permissible limits for different chemicals.
The environment does not absorb the cost of production here. The system does. Daily toolbox meetings, mandatory protective equipment, risk assessments before every non-routine task, health checks administered regularly to every member of staff. The decisions that shape a company's culture are rarely made on the factory floor.
Because we're a pharmaceutical manufacturing organization, we are very high on producing quality products. So in terms of our quality department, quality and regulatory affairs, that's also another area where we employ microbiologists, biochemists, and scientists basically to just ensure that the quality of our products are in place. Beyond that, we have a manufacturing facility, the best at this in the whole of West Africa, and we have a lot of equipment and machinery, a lot of which you may not be able to find in regular manufacturing organizations. So we have a very strong engineering team that looks to ensure that all this machinery and equipment are working quite well.
Responsibility at Fidson does not stop at the gate. Roads, drainage, electricity, communities that did not ask and received anyway, clean energy, protected water, a workforce that goes home safe, communities that are better for having Fidson in them.
This message is brought to you by Fidson Healthcare PLC. We value life.